guys, we took a ride into Matlacha and onto Pine Island, and now we're leaving Pine Island because the restaurant we thought we were going to go to is closed, and there it is. That's the Yucatan Bar and Grill. Google said it was partially open, but as you can see, that's not the case. Here's some still Hurricane Ian devastation. I mean, they have made some improvements, but I have to be honest, I kind of expected a little more. It's still in pretty bad shape over here. I realize this is tough work, and I'm not trying to put them down at all. They're doing the best they can. But it's definitely taking longer than I would have thought. But even over by our house, we still have a lot of roofs that are damaged, a lot of blue tarps still. Sanibel's still a mess, even though we haven't gone there by car. You'll see some more stuff once we get over this bridge where they've worked and removed some houses. There's actually a big piece of dock that wasn't there the last time we were here, out in the middle of the, we'll call it the bay.
Let's see if I can get a picture of it.
Turn to the right and she'll show you the dock. It wasn't there last time, but it's weird. It's just floating out there. Here's the road construction. This is the area where Bert's was. They've removed some stuff for sure. And yeah, they got these barricades up here to give them a work lane over there. That wasn't there, I think, the last time we were here.
No.
See, these houses are still a mess.
There's
actually in that pile, there's a car in there that's been there ever since. So they are
moving.
They're working on it.
Oh, their truck. Takes time. I think this is the forgotten area.
Yeah, it's shocking. I mean, we went through Hurricane Sandy. I'm trying to remember how many years that took. Probably
two, at least
probably two, probably more like three. Probably by the time all the houses were raised and put back together. So we're still in our first year of recovery. But it's getting there. Sorry there hasn't been any videos in a while. There hasn't been a whole lot going on here in Southwest Florida. We had a lot of visiting family and friends, and hopefully in the not too distant future we'll be doing a road trip north and west, and you know, we posted videos, of course. So anybody who's subscribed, please stay tuned. We will be up and running before you know it. Thanks again. Please like and share and subscribe. Thanks.